Hello, welcome back to another trading session. So, while off screen, I tried to scalp and something terribly went wrong. So, yeah, I'm now stuck at these four positions, which will hopefully sort itself soon. But anyway, we're not here about that. We are here about the gold session with USD news releases, which got plenty, like plenty. Oh, I just remember something. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, that means it's gonna mess things up. I am going to trade in the smallest slot size. Alright, that should do it. And this is the expected range. You see, in 1 minute. How's everybody? Is Valentine's Day treating you guys right? I hope so. Me, I'm single. So, yeah. This doesn't really mean anything nowadays, I guess. But I hope you guys got lucky or will get lucky in the near future. Weekend is coming soon, so maybe if you didn't celebrate Valentine's Day yesterday, you guys can do it during the weekend. I'm all for it. We like people to be happy. I like people to be happy. So that's that. Alright, what am I hoping for? I hope this new release doesn't really matter much with the GBP AUD, the one that I'm having right now, because otherwise I'll be screwed. But then again, I'm doing this to myself, so I can't take it. Right, look at that, perfect harmony. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's going up, and you're gonna go down. No, yes, no, yes. Coming down yet? 700? Are we seeing 700? Are we seeing 700? This is 500 each so far. We're expecting 700. No? Alright. Oh. I can't? Oh wow. Why is that? Okay. If I can't take the position, then fuck it. I'm not gonna go in there. I am just going to observe them. This is now an observatory session. Alright, I was supposed to take a short from here, which would have realized a nice gain from here and, kind of get out right about now. Yeah, this is what I would do. Once I see that it's starting to retrace, I'll take a short position and then get out at halfway, which is right about here. That's my original plan. And it would have worked out, but that's fine. I'm just here to recite my strategy. So yeah, now we know that it works. Wow, and I can do this even without looking at the result, which is, by the way, The one that I'm looking for is the Empire State Manufacturing Index. Is in the minus. Sorry, it's in the green. So that's good. Plus unemployment claims, which is one of the major releases. So both of them are in green. It doesn't really matter though, because we are now looking at the market flow rather than the result for gold trading. Wow. Okay. Not too bad. But what is bad is this. So it's somewhat being affected by it. But not that bad. So hopefully it will rebound soon. Wow. This almost hit the 200 EMA in the 4-hour time frame. Wow. Wowie wow. Oh. Okay, let's take a look at this again, once again. Yep. Yep, that strategy works. I just need to figure out what I have to do to get that order going. Probably the size was a little bit too small. That's why it didn't allow me to trade, which is fine. Okay, in that case. Okay, tomorrow there's another one. That's affecting GBP, which is the GBP retail sales news release, which should be out by tomorrow at 2 p.m. Okay. The only saving grace that I have right now is that at the 4-hour time frame, it looks promising, as in you could potentially go back up, maybe. Oh God, I hope this is not the beginning of the downtrend, because if that is the case, then I'm fucked. I am fucked. I just needed to move like this one more time, and hopefully, not hopefully, and then when that turned out to be true, which I really think it will, I should get to this point. A lot of wishful thinking. Oh, wow, look at that. Alright, I'm just gonna write the report. How much did it move? From here to here. I'm just gonna say more than around 740 point. And that was within 3 minutes, okay. Just so many. No trade, no trade, no trade. XAUUSD pair on multiple red report. With presence of unemployment news, unemployment claims. Wow. Okay. That's fine. Wow, it's actually retrace. How about that? But that is irrelevant. I'm not gonna trade anymore with the circumstances like this. So yeah, like I said, this marked the price that I would take the short position, and then once it reached half of this, what do we call this? This candlestick, I'll get out. That's a strategy. This is a bonus if I was to stay, but I probably won't. And this is also a bonus which I can't see. I cannot predict this would happen. Alright. We're just gonna have to hope. Alright, if I were to lose it all, would I come back? Oh, I have to come back. That is for sure. But let's hope that it wouldn't go that bad. And it won't reveal within tonight. You're gonna have to wait for tomorrow, so yeah. Until then. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. If I still have a port, that is. Alright, until then, bye.